A crane lifting plan is a detailed, site-specific safety document that outlines all aspects of a lifting operation to minimize risk. It includes technical information about the crane and the load, a risk assessment, and a step-by-step method for the lift, and must be completed before any lifting begins. The plan ensures the right equipment and personnel are used, potential hazards are identified and addressed, and everyone involved understands their roles. Key elements of a crane lifting plan: load and rigging details, weight, dimensions, and center of gravity of the load, weight and specifications of all rigging equipment such as slings and shackles, identification of certified lifting points on the load, crane and site information, crane type, model, capacity, and certifications. Site assessment, including ground conditions, potential obstacles, and layout, the crane's position, boom angle, and swing path during the lift. Risk assessment and safety measures, identification of potential hazards and a strategy to mitigate them. Procedures for setting up and taking down the crane. Weather conditions and other environmental factors. Requirements for personal protective equipment (PPE). Personnel and communication, names and qualifications of the crane operator, rigger, and competent person. A pre-lift meeting to review the plan with all involved personnel. Clear designation of safe and hazardous zones. Documentation, sketches or diagrams showing the lift configuration, including attachment methods and angles. A method statement explaining exactly how the lift will be executed. Sign-off from all relevant parties involved in preparing, reviewing, and approving the plan.